Oh. That shit is nice.
Selfie time.
Uh-oh.
The selfie.
Jeez.
Say hi, Mari.
Yeah, fat boy hiking, yeah. He was pressing me about it.
Water's pretty clear. But yeah, no, Mari, the
Selfie line! I put that joke right down, like, alright, bet if I do that, I'm just gonna go some fat boy shit and get over real quick.
Since I'm in the front, got the camera on all of us on this skinny ass trail. Good job, Mari. Alright, it gets a little steeper. Yeah, it gets steeper over here, guys, so be really careful. Yo, I swear these sneakers are godsend. Hey.
Camera girl, Nikki, hold it down. PTP.
Keep getting in my ear. Hate that. Right? That's what I kept thinking the whole. That's what I was thinking. Like the whole time we were scaling that side of that thing, I was like, "Ooh, my size is coming in handy." Right? Living an adventure.
What you say, Nick?
I said we living an adventure.
Yeah. Y'all just making me see more and more I need to hit my elliptical again.
Oh, this is beautiful. Got it.
What up, man? I done fell in the fucking creek again. Shook your hand, you know, it's all good.
Mr. Bear Grylls himself. I said we got Gene over here, Mr. Bear Grylls himself.
Someone might be saying,
Do that bridge and then grab my hand, I'll pull you. Got the bridge open with the foot.
Teamwork makes the dream work.